Justin Trudeau has just activated the Emergency Act, which allows any tow truck to go in within 30 days and remove any unlawful protesters blocking roads or streets or main intersections. So this thing has not been released ever before, so you can imagine how bad this thing has gotten out of control. From it to go to a state of emergency to an emergency act, this has just gone way too out of control. Everything has been municipal and provincial up until now. Now that the Emergency Act is in effect, gives him permission to use force, and by using tow trucks to actually go in and tow these trucks out. So yeah, this is gonna get very interesting very soon. Hit that like button, subscribe for more great information like this every single day. Now this was from a couple days ago.
Stand on guard for thee. We might be on opposite sides, guys, but we're safe. We're all here together.
This is such an easy fix from the government just to give us back what we already had in 2019. My kids don't deserve this. They don't deserve to see this. They don't deserve this for their future. They deserve freedom. We can look 300 feet across the border and see freedom, and here we are. This is what our country looks like.